Fidelcrest Review, Pros, Cons, and Key Features. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this video, I'm going to review Fidelcrest, a platform that claims to offer traders opportunity to trade the amount of capital using companies' funds. And to create an account on Fidelcrest, you can also check the link in the description below, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know Fidelcrest, it is a trading company that operates globally including the USA, in which they provide two programs for traders, which is the Pro Trader program and the Micro Trader program. And both programs follow a three-step process involving a trading challenge, verification phase, and finally becoming a trader. And the primary distinction between these programs lies in account sizes and risk level. And now that we know the overview of Fidelcrest, we can now move on by knowing other features and details about Fidelcrest. So let's start by knowing its pros and cons. Starting to its pros, its advantages is the ability to start with account size of up to $2 million without scaling plans, and also one of the profit-sharing schemes with traders receiving up to 90% of the profits, and bonus credited for up to 50% of profits earned during the verification process when transitioning to a live Fidelcrest account, and also opportunity to trade assets such as forex, indices, metals, commodities, and stocks, and no minimum trading in which profit targets during the account phase. And it also offers excellent customer prompt payouts. So that is the pros of using Fidelcrest. Moving on to its cons. Fidelcrest is stringent evaluation process with limits on loss and daily loss, in which time restrictions of 30 days in both the challenge and verification phases for trading activities, and no telephone customer support available on Fidelcrest, and resources or community engagement opportunities. And now that we know the pros and cons of Fidelcrest, we can now move on to Fidelcrest customer reviews. And as you can see, here are some of the user reviews for Fidelcrest. Number 1 is Tanmar from Philippines had a positive experience with quick responses and helpful support. They appreciated the respectful communication and flexibility in extending their challenge in time. While Shane Fryer from the United Kingdom praised the quick response from Sarah when their challenge took longer than expected. And within minutes, they had a new account set up and ready to start again. While Fabian from Romania has been working with Fidelcrest for nearly 2 years, and they appreciate the company's reliability, helpful staff, and timely payments. Special thanks to Arthur Juan and Xavier for their assistance. While number 4 is from Abdul Malek, expressed gratitude to Audrey for patiently answering their questions and providing transparency. Trust was built through thorough communication. And also other customer reviews from Arsh Amadi. Maran commended Fidelcrest's competitive prices and excellent support, and one services left them thoroughly satisfied. And according to Haknam Jang, received their first payment after waiting for 29 days. While they hope for faster processing, they appreciate the opportunity. And also according to Peter Kohler, praised the responsive customer support and quick resolution provided by Sarah. And now according to Abdiaziz, Jama received quick responses regarding KYC concerns, thanks to one assistance. So those are basically some of the reviews for Fidelcrest. But the question is, who should choose Fidelcrest? Well, Fidelcrest presents an option for individuals with diverse backgrounds and trading goals. Seasoned traders who have consistently demonstrated their ability to generate profits might find Fidelcrest funding programs as they can scale up their trading operations and access capital without assuming excessive personal risk. On the other hand, aspiring traders who possess an understanding of market dynamics and trading strategies but lack sufficient capital to trade at their desired level can benefit from Fidelcrest's model, in which this model provides access to funds with upfront investment. Additionally, independent traders seeking flexibility and autonomy in their trading activities may view Fidelcrest as an alternative to employment, offering the potential for substantial earnings based on their trading performance. And now moving on to Fidelcrest's evaluation process. The first one is this Pro Trader program, in which it is designed for experienced traders who possess solid risk management skills and reliable trading strategies. And traders can choose between two types of accounts, which is normal or aggressive, with initial balance ranging from $150,000 to $1 million, in which the latter are available only for normal pro traders. And to begin your journey as a funded trader at Fidelcrest, you must complete the two-phase evaluation process, in which the phase 1 Fidelcrest Trading Challenge. In this phase, you trade with account size of your choice, but don't worry if you don't succeed immediately, you have unlimited free attempts. And here are some of the rules for phase 1. The first one is you have 30 days to pass trading challenge, followed by normal account traders must achieve a minimum profit target, and aggressive account traders have a higher profit target, and you must also adhere to risk management guidelines, and those specific minimum trading days required. Now moving on to Phase 2, which is live account evaluation. Since if you pass Phase 1, you move on to the live account evaluation. And below here are some of the rules for Phase 2. The first one is you trade with live account funded by Fidelcrest, and profit share varies based on the account type, which is normal or aggressive, and it also has a strict adherence to risk management and trading rules, while the profit is split between the trader and Fidelcrest, and monthly payout based on the performance. After the Phase 2, we have here evaluation criteria, in which traders' performance is assessed based on various factors. The first one is profitability, in which consistent profits during the evaluation, followed by risk management, adherence to risk limits, and also consistency or steady performance over time. And after that, you will now proceed to rewards and funding step, in which successful traders receive funding for their trading activities. And Fidelcrest provides access to 175 plus assets, including forex, indices, metals, commodities, and stocks. Now moving on to this funded account explanation, in which Fidelcrest is a trading company that provides traders with an opportunity to participate in their funded account program. And this program allows traders to access a portion of the capital they need for trading based on their performance and risk management strategy. Unlike a loan, the funding provided by Fidelcrest doesn't require repayment. Instead, traders are expected to share a portion of their profits with Fidelcrest as a performance fee. And to qualify for funding, traders must undergo an evaluation process that assesses their trading skills and risk management abilities. And once approved, traders can gain access to a trading account with up to $400,000 in buying power. And after that, they can enjoy competitive payout rates. And the evaluation process consists of two parts, and traders have 30 days to demonstrate profits within the target ranges of 5% to 20% depending on the chosen risk strategy. And the maximum allowable loss is set at 5% for normal mode and 10% for aggressive mode. And Fidelcrest offers two programs for traders, which is the Pro Trader program and the Micro Trader program. Now in conclusion, Fidelcrest presents itself as a choice for traders of all experience levels and backgrounds. Whether you're a trader looking to expand your operations, an aspiring trader in need of capital access, or an independent trader seeking flexibility and growth, Fidelcrest offers funding programs tailored to need and goals. However, it's crucial for individuals considering Fidelcrest to thoroughly research and carefully assess the terms and conditions to ensure they align with their trading objectives and risk tolerance. While Fidelcrest may offer opportunities for traders to utilize capital and potentially achieve success, one's success ultimately relies on individual trading skills, discipline, and risk management practices. Therefore, while Fidelcrest can be an option for traders, it's important to approach it with a clear understanding of both the opportunities and risk involved. So that is just a review about Fidelcrest. Thank you.